here from Chris, who says, which commentator will you be using? The search is on. You could do a bath or shower theme so they don't smell. Last week my daft lad Freddie nicked his foot out of the bag. I didn't find it until I started to wonder where the smell was coming from. His toy box. Strip his shit like the pusher. What do I do? Don't nick the tater. They end up stinking. We need more ideas, please, for our new show, The Taters. Coming to a TV screen near you. Appealing to every audience. Whether you're fried, smashed, or just very slightly chipped. We'll make a waffle of you. This is getting bad, though. Keep your ideas coming for our TV show, The Taters. Saturday morning on BBC Radio Derby. The home, of course, to the breakfast show. Until you'll be back from 6 till 10 on Wednesday morning, waking you up with the news that you need, plenty to put a smile on your face too. On Monday's show, we'll be finding out why you might just be in love if you ever fancied buying a big, whopping chimney. Well, what are you up to this morning? You can call BBC Radio Derby on 0800 145 61661, or you can text me on 81333, starting your message with Derby. That's the same word to start your WhatsApp on 08000 321 444. This morning, Father Christian got in touch, right, and he said, Becky, last night I went for with my sister, and we got sat down just talking normal like you do. And we got talking about gemstones, and she was looking at my gemstone, and she said it was turquoise. It was a turquoise coloured gemstone. ages we thought, what on earth is turquoise? Obviously she meant turquoise. Brilliant, brilliant. And Forrester actually said, you know, what other words that people, or have people got wrong, or have they stuck? Morning, Becky, when my daughter was about 6 or 7, she was reading everything in sight. We passed the building society and she asked me, Mum, what's the subquieting? Bless her. What is the subquieting? What's the society. That's not what she meant. Kathy said, thank you. Hello to Alan, who says, I always sang Plastic the Demon instead of Sad Sweet Dreamer. They say some lyrics of a different thing, aren't they? Becky, my good lady, is a keen gardener. It always pronounces Animo. It drives me mad, says Mr. Bib. I've said it really wrong, haven't I? It's not that, is it? What is it? Not an anemone. No. Hang on a minute, Glenn. What is it?
Anemone.
Oh, an enemy! Not an anemone. An eneme's a different thing altogether, isn't it? What is it?
Anemone.
Not an anemone. Or an enemy.
Anemone.
An enemy. An anemone. An enemy.
Anemone.
Got it. One more time.
Anemone.
There you go, Mr. Ripple. Got it, done.
The mystery of Spanker Lane.
Into Spanker Lane.
You need to have a chat
Yeah.
with Cheryl, who's the landlady of the Spanker. What she doesn't know ain't worth knowing. Why is it called Spanker Lane?
I want to know why it's called Spanker. Princess!
You're going to get images that you don't need to see. Is that a brandy? No, it's a cognac.
A spanking good trot. Do you ever spank your horses?
That's definitely another show. The mystery of Spanker Lane.
This is what happens when you make radio in the pub.
Listen now on BBC Sounds.
BBC Radio Derby.
Just search for Secret Derbyshire.
I'm very, very jealous today of Peter and Paul. Peter and Paul, little birdies, who are in Oakwood and they're getting ready to go to London for the Panto at the Palladium for Peter's birthday. They've got Julian Clary in it and Jane McDonald. Do you know what a great time to go to Panto? Yeah? Because all the Christmas festivities are sort of like over with and we need that bit of joy. I think Panto should be all year round because they're fun. Have the best time, my darlings. On the subject of our new TV show, Potatoes. This is all about our potatoes that are going to be rivaling the traitors. When they sit at the round table and give each other a roasting. This is Paul and Frosty Chad. And Mr. Wu says, who's presenting taters? Is it Claudia Crinkle Cut
escalation into whether water shortages hindered efforts to control the wildfires that have devastated parts of Los Angeles. More evacuation orders have been issued. 11 people have so far died. Brian Rice is the president of the California Professional Firefighters.
What you will hear is, I've never seen anything like this before. We've never seen wind this powerful for this sustained a time period. And, you know, you're talking seasoned veteran firefighters and
Emergency services were called to Whitney Close in Allenton to report of a man with serious injuries. He was pronounced dead at the scene. 2 men from Derby, who are both in their 50s, have been arrested on suspicion of murder and remain in custody. A man's been charged with arson after he allegedly attempted to set fire to petrol pumps in Derby. Police were called to the Markeaton Island station just after 5 o'clock on Wednesday afternoon. The man, named as Terry Madigan, is also said to have assaulted a number of people and damaged the building. He remains in custody. The number of young adults living with their parents has increased by more than a third in nearly 2 decades, new research shows. The Institute for Fiscal Studies says 450,000 more grown-up children are still in the family home compared with the number in 2006. Danny, who's 33, is one of them.
You end up working full time and you try and save up a little bit of money. Unfortunately, COVID obviously had an impact on that, and it just puts you back those couple of years. House prices going up quite significantly in those times as well. Post-COVID, when you have the mini budget, and these things have a knock-on effect.
A closing party is being held in Derbyshire today for a shop that's been raising money for a cancer charity. Hannah's Hope HQ boutique at Mercia Marina in Wellington opened in September with the aim of raising £200,000 to fund a lodge for the Teenage Cancer Trust. Tanya Ball from Hannah's Hope charity says the day should bring them closer to their target with some healthy prizes up for grabs.
Lots of sort of New Year, New You, gym membership and things like that, Pilates, yoga. We also are having a bigger raffle, 2 huge cake tickets for tomorrow. We will have a cake sale, book sale, locker tombola. We hope to possibly reach 180,000 this weekend.
Sport and back-to-back games in the sports scene this afternoon. Derby County go to League One, Leyton Orient in the FA Cup third round. 6 o'clock kick-off that one. Build-up will begin at 5. Before then, Burton Albion kick-off at 3 as they go to Stevenage in the third tier for Gary. Looking for Gary Bowyer's first win as head coach. The Brewers are 11 points from safety at the bottom of the table. Weather-wise, sunny morning, cloudy this afternoon with a chance of some light showers or light snow. Temperatures barely ticking above freezing for much of the day. And that is the latest.